Today my latest keyboard came in. It's the Huntsman Mini from Razer. So I got now the G Pro, and now I've got the Razer Huntsman Mini. And is it mini? Yes, it's really mini. That's a size comparison. What is in the package? It's the box. I'm gonna flip it. And in the box was the keyboard in plastic, a booklet, and the USB-C cable. And it's well packaged. So what is in? Keyboard is in plastic. Well done. And it's really small. It's 60% of a normal keyboard. The legs. And here you can see the size comparison. You see? And what is now the difference is that this one is also a lot less you hear it. Here's the new one. See? Show it. You don't hear a thing. And this one, the G Pro, and that's why I bought this one. A lot less noise. So, I'm very happy with it. And the back side. Here you have the legs. And again, the noise. It's a lot of difference. I thought, it doesn't matter, but it does really matter. If you want a silent, small form factor keyboard, buy the Huntsman Mini. And also the booklet. So one time more, size comparison. And you know the G Pro is also a small form factor. And now the Huntsman Mini is a lot smaller. Am I happy with it? Yes, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.